central Wisconsin, Iowa County in south central Wisconsin, Lafayette County in south central Wisconsin, southwestern Sauk County in south central Wisconsin, until 9 a.m. At 7:54 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 11 miles east of Richland Center to 7 miles south of Lone Rock Airport to 11 miles north of Platteville to 36 miles west of Platteville, and moving southeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail wind, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. A measured wind gust of 58 miles an hour was recorded at Boscobel Airport. That was reported at 7:31 a.m. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Dodgeville, Mineral Point, Darlington, Mount Horeb, Governor Dodge State Park, Spring Green, Mineral Point Airport, Belmont, Maisonneuve, Yellowstone Lake State Park, Blue Mountain State Park, Blanchardville, Benton, Black Earth, Salisbury, Argyle, Palm Springs, New Glarus, Governor Dodge State Park and Bowie. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move to a shelter inside a strong building and away from windows.
This is Manila Weather Radio WWGN.